Hey, we're going on a Jeep excursion today. We're gonna have some fun. Hey, today is the day of the Stone's annual Jeep excursion. We've got a few Jeeps here. I think we're gonna have about 16. So I'm Tyler. We stopped up here to have lunch. We have 17 Jeeps with us today. I think I'm driving the oldest one. I have a 2000 Wrangler, just out having a good time. Hey, we're enjoying our lunch here. A little trail ride. Beautiful country today, and it's a gorgeous day out here. It's probably about 68 degrees. Colors in the forest here are just absolutely gorgeous. We're about 14 miles out of Sheep Falls.
Hey Grant, I brought my little Gladiator in here. We're at Sheep Falls. This is great. Fun ride. It's really been good.
I have a Wrangler JL Rubicon. We have thoroughly enjoyed it. It takes us to places like this with ease, and it's just one of those things that we just thoroughly enjoy.
We're out on a beautiful trail today, and for the last stretch I decided, you know what, a woman needs to drive on this road, so I did.
The road was a little rugged, but the Jeep handled it perfectly. We had a great time. I'd do it again in a minute.
Life is good in the fast lane. It's just trying to stay in it.